In recent days, attention around the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P has started building again as fresh leaks continue to surface, gradually filling in more details about what DJI might be planning for its next compact creator-focused camera. While nothing has been officially confirmed, the latest interface screenshots and system clues are beginning to outline a clearer picture of how this device could handle both photography and video in a more layered, computational way than previous generations. One of the most important discoveries so far comes from the photo mode structure shown in the leaked interface. The camera appears to offer two distinct shooting modes, a standard mode and an ultra-clear mode. In standard mode, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P seems to output 8 megapixel images. At first glance, this might feel surprisingly low for a next-generation camera, but it likely serves a very intentional purpose. This mode is probably designed for efficiency, faster processing, and improved stability in real-world shooting conditions. By limiting resolution, the camera can focus on producing cleaner, more consistent images, potentially using pixel binning or multi-pixel downsampling to enhance dynamic range and reduce noise. When switching to ultra-clear mode, however, the system behavior changes significantly. According to the leaks, this mode allows the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P to generate around 33 megapixel images in a 16:9 aspect ratio and up to 37 megapixels in a 1:1 format. This dramatic jump in resolution immediately raises questions about how such detail is being achieved from a compact form factor. It is not yet clear whether this represents the native resolution of the sensor or whether DJI is relying on computational reconstruction, AI sharpening, and multi-frame image stacking to reach these higher output numbers. This uncertainty leads directly into speculation about the actual sensor hardware. If ultra-clear mode reflects true native capture, then the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P could be using a high-resolution sensor in the 48 megapixel to 50 megapixel range. That would place it in a more advanced imaging category and suggest DJI is seriously pushing hardware capabilities in the compact camera space. On the other hand, if these results are primarily software generated, the physical sensor may be smaller, with DJI using advanced processing pipelines to simulate high-resolution detail while maintaining compact efficiency. What makes this system more interesting is the coexistence of both modes rather than a single fixed output resolution. This strongly suggests that DJI is building a flexible imaging pipeline rather than a traditional camera system. Standard mode likely focuses on speed and reliability, while ultra-clear mode prioritizes maximum detail and post-processing flexibility. This kind of dual approach design reflects a broader industry shift toward computational photography, where software plays an increasingly important role in shaping final image quality. Alongside still photography, one of the most discussed leaks involves a 3K 60 FPS vertical video mode. Vertical video has become essential in modern content creation, especially for short-form platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. For years, users of the Pocket series have been asking for true native 4K vertical recording, which would eliminate cropping and preserve full sensor detail in portrait orientation. The appearance of a 3K vertical mode suggests that DJI may not be fully delivering on that expectation, at least not in the most direct way. While 3K resolution is still more than adequate for mobile viewing and social media consumption, it does fall short of the flexibility offered by 4K capture. For casual creators, the difference may be negligible in real-world playback. However, for advanced users who rely on reframing, stabilization cropping, or cross-platform editing, the reduced resolution could feel limiting. Even so, 3K at 60 frames per second remains a strong and practical format. It ensures smooth motion, efficient file sizes, and fast editing workflows, all of which are important for creators working in fast-paced environments. In many cases, content is consumed on small screens where the difference between 3K and 4K is not easily noticeable, meaning DJI may be optimizing for practicality rather than maximum specification. Another major area highlighted in the leaks is color science and recording format support. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4P is expected to include 10-bit D-Log recording, which would be a significant advantage for creators who rely on color grading in post-production. D-Log profiles are widely used because they preserve more highlight and shadow information, allowing for greater flexibility when adjusting exposure, contrast, and color tone in editing software. However, the leaked interface also points to a possible limitation in the system. It appears that the 3x telephoto camera may not support 10-bit D-Log recording in the same way as the main camera. If accurate, this would suggest that DJI is intentionally differentiating between imaging modules in terms of processing capability. The telephoto lens would still provide optical zoom and creative framing options, but it may not match the main sensor in dynamic range or grading flexibility. In practical terms, this would create a clear separation of roles within the camera system. The main sensor would handle high-quality, cinematic capture where color accuracy and dynamic range matter most, while the telephoto module would serve as a secondary tool for composition and perspective control. This is not unusual in multi-camera systems, but it does highlight a deliberate design hierarchy within the Pocket 4P. When all of these leaks are viewed together, a broader design direction begins to emerge. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4P seems to be evolving into a highly adaptive imaging system rather than a traditional single-mode camera. Instead of relying on one fixed performance profile, it appears to combine multiple resolution tiers, computational processing layers, and lens-specific capabilities to serve different creative needs. As anticipation continues to grow, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P remains one of the most closely watched devices in the compact camera space. Each new leak adds another piece to the puzzle, gradually revealing a system that may not just improve on its predecessor, but potentially redefine how pocket-sized cameras balance hardware limitations with software-driven performance.